Good evening, everyone. Thanks for coming out tonight. Welcome to the Starkville Planetarium here at Parkland College. And this is the first of our World of Science lecture series for the academic year, where we have talks here on the first Friday of each month that classes are in session. So look at the whole series. It's there on our website. We're very happy to have a very special speaker with us to lead off our series this evening. Not too long ago, Joanne Manaster sent us an email here and said, hey, you guys have got a neat science TV show. How would you like to do a show on stem cells? And of course, we're always looking for ideas for TV shows, so I said, sure. So we went over and did this program, which is still running on Parkland College Television, and she did an absolutely marvelous job. So I thought it was natural to try to get her to come into our series, and she generously agreed. So tonight, Joanne is I got to make sure I get this right, life science teaching lab specialist and lecturer at the Department of Bioengineering at the University of Illinois. She also teaches histology for the Department of Cell and Developmental Biology. She has been instructing students about cell biology, tissue engineering, and stem cells for 20 years. She's also been active in Science Olympiad and the Games program at the university. And we're very, very fortunate to have her with us tonight. So please welcome Joanne Manaster.
Good evening. Thank you guys for coming out, and I'm really excited to talk to you tonight about stem cells. He already told you all about me, so if you have questions about me, you can always ask me later. But yes, indeed, I've been teaching classes for quite some time at the U of I. All right, so I figured I'd call tonight's talk The Layman's Guide to Stem Cells, and to clear up some misconceptions, to hopefully cement some of the vocabulary so that people have a common way to talk about this topic. So we're going to talk a little bit about the history and the science. Let's see. I get this to work too. Oops. Okay, so I have a little cartoon where life begins at the petri dish. Cloning for research. So then it says even the human embryos are divided. So this just highlights the controversy surrounding stem cells, especially embryonic stem cells. And I just want to mention tonight, I'm really only going to be talking about the science behind stem cells. There probably will not be time to have a debate about the ethical issues. And despite the fact that I've had medical ethics and science philosophy and all these kinds of classes, I am not really qualified to moderate a debate, so I'm going to ask that you kindly not bring up the topic for this evening anyway. All right, so what will you learn today, or more precisely tonight? We're going to learn what stem cells are exactly. Several slides on that. Oops. The progression of, my clicker's not very precise here. The progression of stem cell discovery. So it's sort of a new field, so it's nice to see how things have developed. The types of stem cells we have, everybody knows about embryonic stem cells, but we've got other types that we like to explore. Whoops, there we go, it's very touchy. I'll leave it up. How scientists isolate and create stem cells, and we're actually working on that, and potential uses for stem cells, which I know is very interesting to everybody. And you'll also find out that I think this is a great way to spend my Friday evening talking about science. So.